First of all, provide the T code here, that is ME51N for creating purchase requisition. Then select your document type. Suppose there are multiple documents. I am selecting ZSNB for supply non-stock items. Then go to header. As you will click on header tab, you need to provide the indenter detail here. Then after, you need to give the bill passing officer's detail. Then please provide the bill paying officer's detail. After this, go to the special conditions. Here you can write if you are having any special condition. You can give details as well as you can write it in short. Now go to account assignment category. For that press F4. There are multiple categories. Suppose P for project, and I am going to select A for asset. Then for material, press F4. As you will press F4, you will get this window. Here write the material description, which will start with a star and end with a star. Then press enter. Now on this window, please select your material from here. Then provide the short text. Then write the quantity. It can be 1, 2, any. Suppose I am writing 1. Then write your plant here, or you can select it from the drop down menu. For that, press F4. Suppose I am selecting 2000. Now purchasing group. For that, press F4 and select the purchasing group. There are multiple purchasing group. Suppose I am selecting H18. Now press enter and select your asset from here. For that, press F4. On this window, write your plant here. Suppose I am writing 2000. You can press enter or you can click on this. From this list, select your asset on the basis of selected plant. Suppose I am going to select my asset. This is my asset. I will select it. Then press enter. Now if you want to change the delivery date, you can do so. Suppose I have changed the delivery date. Now go to source of supply tab. Here you can write the vendor code. For that, press F4. Now provide the company code here. Then press enter. You will get the menu. From here you will choose your vendor code, as well as you can write the vendor code if you remember. Suppose I remember the code, I will write it. I am writing the vendor code here. After writing the code, press enter. So you will get the name of the vendor. Then go to text tab. In this tab, provide the item text here. Suppose I am writing the Brother laser printer and the details. Then go to consignee. Provide the designation and department of the consignee. Then click on the check button. You will get the message. No message issued during check. It means all okay. Then click on save button. As you will click on save button, you'll get the message that purchase requisition number so and so is created. First of all, enter the T code here, ZSPR to take print of your purchase requisition. Then on this window, provide the purchase requisition number here. After providing the number, click on the execute button. As you will click on execute button, you will get the details of your purchase requisition. Just go through with it, check all the details. After this, you can either save it or you can take the printout. As you will click on the save button, it will ask you the location in your device. Select the location, rename your file. I am renaming my file. Then I will click on the save button. This file will be saved into my device.